This is a versatile security lock. What is different? Yes. No need for phone, key, no need for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Just need fingerprint, safe and convenient. Cool! It can be installed everywhere to protect your safety and belongings. Use it on a bicycle, and a fingerprint can be opened quickly when you need it. Avoid the trouble of finding a key. Anytech can protect your storage room, your toolbox, your container truck, and your residential gate. Anytech is made of hard and durable zinc alloy material. A long standby time of up to 2 years with a single charge, is IP67 waterproof, not afraid of rain. Yes, Anytech can support up to 10 sets of fingerprints. Fingerprints of family and friends can be recorded. They can unlock it by themselves. This is Anytech, a reliable and convenient security guard.
ArchiSketch, a new way to digitally design a room using your smartphone. To use ArchiSketch, attach the ArchiSketch device to your smartphone and mark each corner of the room with the laser to measure the distance. Then ArchiSketch will create a 3D model of your room. Also, the ArchiSketch device works great as a measuring tape. ArchiSketch lets you edit your floor plan, adjust furniture, wallpaper, and fixtures, and order furniture right from the connected website. You can also view the design room using a VR headset.
You choose to pedal. Your trusty bike is an extension of your body, and I'm here to give it superpowers you never knew it had. Sure, I make your bike smarter, but I also keep everything simple to let you focus on your ride. I'll adapt to the way you bike, not the other way around. I'm Smart Halo 2, and I can't wait to ride with you.
Press the scan button to start scanning. Swipe back and forth to scan. You can see what you're scanning on the screen. Crop the area you'll need to use, then click the OK button. Drag the file directly to Excel, and you can edit the table contents right away.